South Africa here in the most dramatic finish to a cricket match in this tournament. But they know how close they can get. If they can get close to South Africa, they feel that they can get close to Bangladesh. Two very proud teams. Bangladesh know that they don't want to take anything for granted here. Bangladesh beat Nepal. Bangladesh will qualify for the Super 8s. It's as simple as that. If they slip up tonight, if they lose, they'll need Sri Lanka to beat the Netherlands or to not to lose by a big margin against the Dutch side. Supporters for both these teams in numbers inside this wonderful stadium. We're ready now for the anthems.
Ladies and gentlemen, this moment, we ask you to please stand, if you're able, for the anthems of Nepal and Bangladesh.
It's Mount Everest, a celebration of the hills of the mountain.
She
The stage is set here at Honest Vale, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, for a wonderful clash between Bangladesh and Nepal. Nepal have won the hearts of cricket fans all over the globe, and Bangladesh continue to do that with the brand of cricket that they play. Who will finish this match?